Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add a picture after posting on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For that matter, what you have to do, everybody, you simply have to access a particular Instagram, and then this kind of home interface is gonna appear, right? So if you simply tap on this profile icon of yours below right corner of the screen, you will access all of your posts. So some of the posts even have a multiple pictures that we have posted along with. So if you simply want to go ahead add a new photo with it, even if you tap on this third icon on top, we do have this edit option, which only lets us, like, gives us the access of actually editing our text, tagging people, and the location setting, but it do not gives us the option to add another photo within it, because actually that just option doesn't exist. Only you cannot do it, you have to. But the other thing that you can do is, so you will realize your mistake right after posting, you can simply tap on this three dot icon on top right corner and delete your particular post, and again make a new post with all of the pictures you want to be added and post them. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.